Good morning friends. So in this lecture we are going to discuss T flip-flop. In the previous lecture we have discussed D flip-flop, and now we will see here in this lecture how we will get or how we will design T flip-flop using JK flip-flop. You will see here. Okay. So in this lecture I will introduce you T flip-flop. Okay, so before this T flip-flop, you will have to remember whole things about JK flip-flop. So now, first of all, we will design JK flip-flop. This is Q1 plus bar, J, K, clock. Okay, this is JK flip-flop. Okay, and the truth table for this JK flip-flop: J, K, Qn, Q1 plus 1. This table you will have to remember for future 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, and output you will have 0, 1, this is Qn, 0, 0, this is reset, 1, 1, this is set, 1, 0, this is inverter. Okay, so now what to do or how to modify this JK flip-flop to become a T flip-flop. So I need some modification with this JK flip-flop. After that it will become T flip-flop. Okay, you look here. Have a look here. If you apply T directly K and J, if you apply the T directly K and J, then this modification of JK flip-flop will become T flip-flop. Okay, so you can see here you are giving same input. You are giving same input to K and J, and it will become T flip-flop. T flip-flop. Okay, so the truth table for JK flip-flop you have, and you can see here how many combinations you have in which J and K both are equal. So you have a look here, you will get these two upper combinations and these two lower combinations both are same, 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0. So these four combinations from this truth table will act as a T flip-flop. Okay, will act as a T flip-flop. So the truth table of T flip-flop exists in JK flip-flop. In the previous lecture, the truth table of D flip-flop is existing inside this JK flip-flop. So from the JK flip-flop you can find out the truth table for D flip-flop, and also you can find out the truth table for T flip-flop. Okay, all these truth table inbuilt in this JK flip-flop truth table. Okay, you can see here. So now the truth table for D flip-flop, T flip-flop, So you have input T, Qn, and Qn plus 1 you are getting the output. So with the two variables you will have four combinations: 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So now you check here what will be the output for Qn is equal to 0. Qn is equal to 0 for T is equal to 0, and the value for Qn plus 1 will be what? 0. For T is equal to 0, Qn is equal to 0, Qn plus will be equal to 0. For 0 1, if you apply T is equal to 0, this is Qn is equal to 1, and output you are getting 1. To have a look here, the T is equal to 1 and the input is equal to 0, output you are getting 1. For T is equal to 1, input is equal to 0 and the output you are getting 0. So this is the truth table for T flip flop. Okay, and you make a K map for these four combinations. Then you can find out the characteristic equation for this T flip flop, and out input T and Qn, the function will be Qn plus 1. Okay, this is 0 1 0 1 0 1 2 3. So now you tell me how many 1 is located, how many locations are there at which 1 is located. So now you will see here you have only two locations, 0 and 1, 1 and 0, where the 1 is located. Okay, so 2 and 3, 2 and no 1 and 2, 0 1 2 3, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and now the output function will be equal to, so if you try to make a group, so there will be no group, it will act a single group, it is also will act a single group, and the functional value for this will be equal to what? T Qn bar plus what for this? T bar Qn. You can say this is nothing but this is XOR of T with Qn, and also you can implement this, you can implement Qn plus 1 is nothing but the XOR of T and Qn. So this is the implementation, and this circuit will act similar to this circuit. Okay, so this is the implementation. Okay, so now if I ask you what will be the excitation table, what will be the excitation table for this T flip flop, can you try to make a truth table, try to make a excitation table with the help of this truth table. So excitation table you can prepare with the help of this truth table. So you already know about this, what is mean excitation table. So if you are giving input Qn and you are getting the corresponding output Qn plus 1, so how to excite T, so that we can find out the desired output for a given input. So with two combinations, you will have four combinations with the two variable. Okay, so you tell me, if you want to output 0 for a given input 0, what will be the value for t? What will be the value for t? So you can see here, qn is equal to 0, qn plus 1, you are getting also 0, so the value for t is equal to 0. Okay, the q1 equal to 0, output you are getting 1, the value for t is equal to 1. q1 is equal to 1, output you are getting 0, for value t is equal to again 1. And you are getting the output 1 for a given input 1. Here you can see the output is 1 for a given input 1 when the t is equal to 0. So this is the excitation table for this T flip flop. Okay, 0 1 1 0. You can see here. Now what is remaining for the completion of this part? One thing is remaining, that is state diagram. State diagram. So with the help of truth table, you can find out the state diagram. So how many states you have? You have two states, 0 and 1. If you, here you can see, you are going 0 to 0 or 1 to 1, 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. So you can say you have two states, 0 and 1. 0 and 1. So now if you are going to 0 to 0, 0 to 0 when the t is equal to 0. If you are going to 1 to 1, again t is equal to 0. And if you are going to 0 to 1, 0 to 1 when t is equal to 1, and 1 to 0, again t is equal to 1. So this is the state diagram, and you can find out the truth table if you want to find out from this state diagram, and you can convert vice versa from truth table to state diagram and state diagram to truth table. Once you have a truth table, then you can do everything. So in your examination, maybe you will get the question with the state diagram. At that time, you will have to need to find out the truth table. Whatever you want to find out, whatever you want to design, before anything, you must have truth table. You must have truth table. For this purpose, if you have a state diagram, first you have to convert your state diagram into the truth table. After that, you can do everything whatever you want to do. Okay, so this is nothing but this is the basic fundamental concept. Okay, so this is the T flip flop. Up now you can see here what is happening here. Okay, T means toggle. Toggle means what? You will learn in the coming lectures. Okay, so in this lecture, the T flip flop has been finished. Okay, now if you have any doubt or any problem, you can ask me anytime. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and also I tell you something. In the next lecture we will discuss very important topic. Okay, very important topic, that is finite state machine. Finite state machines. Okay, Mealy and Murray machine we will discuss in the next lecture, and you will get one question in your examination from finite state machine. So the finite state machine is so difficult, little bit difficult topic for understanding. So be serious and you focus on the video lecture, so that you can learn how we can design a machine and how we can analyze a machine using the flip-flops. Okay, so we will meet soon in the next lecture. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.